confirmed. Heading to processing.
Roger that. Moving to position 2.
Head clamp secure. Tail locked. Tensioning now. All restraints engaged. Clear.
Notating minor scarring on the ventral side, green light applied.
Check this one under the lamp, and I'm seeing some pitting near the edge.
Bay 3 clear. Over. Roger that. Moving in.
We are clear through the way station. Rolling heavy towards the destination. Over.
Okay, bring that truck all the way back to the line.
Roger, I have the frozen load.
Divert pallet 7, temperature is high. Send it to quarantine.
See this thick part here? You need to angle the blade slightly lower to get under the membrane.
We are matching the 30-minute reference photo now. The density is good.
Agreed. The separation is clearly effective.
Chemical handling in this stage requires specialized safety protocols. The compounds are specifically formulated for exotic leather.
The current draw is stable at 85 amps.
Good. We are on schedule for the 0300 adjustment.
All right, we are at 120.
30 more to go.
125.
The lime is hydrated before injection, mixed with measured water volumes in stainless steel tanks, where agitators keep.
Heavy rotation opens the internal fibers of the leather. Once sealed and charged with lime solution, the drums begin their rotation cycle.
Flow looks good. Yeah, pressure stable, no blockages.
Hides descend to the mechanical fleshing line. Drum unloading reverses the loading process, with access doors opening to reveal
rotatio ensures uniform absorption. The drums turn with measured consistency. Their rotation speed.
The wash cycles are critical. African American female workers monitor the discharge to ensure clarity meets.
The fibers look good on this one. I'll take a sample.
We're moving the next batch up now, following the timeline.
Entry into definitive tanning. The main tanning operation represents the transformational heart of the facility, where
Check the flow rate on line 3. Holding steady at 50 liters per minute. Levels are rising inside.
Temperature holding steady at 28. Rotation speed is optimal.
Confirmed. The texture looks consistent. Proceed as scheduled.
Modern process control technology main parameters.
End of cycle leaves the leather stabilized. Tanning cycle completion marks a fundamental transformation point. Perishable hide has become stable leather.
The dyeing department receives tanned hides. Their processing order managed through digital tracking systems.
Formulation 4B, target matcha green. The mix race ratio is precise.
The saturation looks perfect under the D65 light. We can approve the batch.
The gauge is reading low on the blue vat. We need to check the levels before the next cycle.
The rotation tumbles hides through the dye solution, ensuring that recessed areas between scales receive equivalent color chemical fixation of pigmentation. Following color application, fixation treatments lock the dye molecules into permanent bonding with the leather fibers.
Mechanical stretching systems maintain hide dimensions during drying. The tensioning machines grip hide edges.
Current moisture levels look good. Yes, they are right within the specifications.
The pliability here is excellent, and the scale symmetry on the center lift is nearly perfect.
Agreed. That meets the premium grade standard.
Digital scanners analyze invisible irregularities. This technology complements human inspection.
Workers guide hides against trimming equipment that cuts clean edges using sharp blades or laser systems. The removed edge material accumulates as scrap.
Check the alignment on the left side.
Looks good. Ready to cut.
Surface protection begins with sealant application that creates barriers against environmental exposure.
Deep waterproofing of the surface. Additional protection against moisture penetration applies through specialized waterproofing treatments that penetrate beyond the surface sealant. Antifungal and anti-motion against biodegradation and moisture damage.
The shine is consistent across the scales.
Approved. The dramatic luster is exactly what we need.
Finish quality and physical properties are confirmed. This lot meets the premium export grade.
Noted. It's cleared for inventory.
Grade. Grade A represents the highest quality, essentially defect-free material, suitable for the most demanding application.
QR code application for traceability.
Digital tracking technology provides complete supply chain visibility.
Wrapping in heat shrink plastic. Weather protection during transport applies through plastic film that covers and seals
Lubricants. Environmental monitoring during transport uses sensors that record conditions throughout the shipping journey. The sensors mount to pallet
The documents include commercial invoices, packing lists, certificates of origin, and species-specific permits required for exotic leather.
Bring the next one in.
Watch the spacing on the left.
Maritime shipment to USA, Europe, and Asia. The loaded containers join global shipping network.
Customs cleared. Temperature within specifications. Proceed to rail yard.
We've got damage on this corner right here.
Okay, noted. Let's open it up and check the contents.
Delivery confirmed. All premium hides accounted for and scanned into the system. Move this to the climate-controlled section immediately.
This emerald alligator hide has perfect symmetry. Yes, the scales are flawless. We will use this for the matched panels. Technical cutting for premium wallets. Small leather goods present different cutting challenges, with wallet patterns requiring compact material.
Sewing and assembly performed by specialized artisans. Skilled craftspeople transform cut components into finished products.